Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we are exploring the regulatory landscape for medical devices in Canada, governed by the Medical Devices Regulations, or CMDR, specifically SOR 98-282, which came into effect on May 7, 1998, under the authority of the Food and Drugs Act. These regulations have been amended numerous times since, and staying current is crucial for compliance. The CMDR framework is built on a risk-based classification system that categorizes devices into 4 classes, from Class I for the lowest risk products, such as dental floss, to Class 4 for the highest risk, like pacemakers. This classification determines the specific regulatory requirements a device must meet before it can be legally sold in Canada. For manufacturers, understanding the licensing requirements is fundamental. Class 1 devices do not require a medical device license or MDL. However, any company importing or distributing Class 1 devices must hold a medical device establishment license known as an MDEL. For devices in Classes 2, 3, and 4, the path to market is more rigorous. Manufacturers of these higher-risk devices must obtain a medical device license for their product. This requires a detailed application to Health Canada, demonstrating the device's safety and effectiveness. A critical component of this application for Class 2, 3, and 4 devices is proof of a compliant quality management system, or QMS. Health Canada requires manufacturers to be certified under the Medical Device Single Audit Program, or MDSAP, which confirms their QMS adheres to the ISO 13485 standard. This certification must be issued by a Health Canada recognized auditing organization. Labeling is another key area of compliance. All information required for safe and effective use must be provided, and for devices sold to the general public, this information must be in both English and French. The label must include the manufacturer's name and address, the device name and identifier, its license number if applicable, and any necessary storage conditions or warnings. Finally, compliance doesn't end once a device is on the market. Manufacturers, importers, and distributors have post-market responsibilities. These include maintaining distribution records to facilitate recalls, having robust complaint handling procedures, and adhering to mandatory problem reporting requirements. If an incident occurs in Canada that leads to or could lead to serious injury or death, it must be reported to Health Canada within specific timeframes. If your company needs assistance navigating Canada's regulatory requirements or any aspect of global market access, the experts at Pure Global are here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.